In this video, I will be showing you how to make a flyer in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I'll head to the Explore Template section and click on Flyer. This opens up a massive library of professionally designed templates, so I'll take some time to scroll through and see which one catches my eye. Whether you are looking for a food menu, an event announcement, or a business promotion, there is something here for every occasion. I found a retro dessert promotion flyer that I really like, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that the design has loaded, I want to change the main illustration. I'll click on the pie graphic and then open the Elements tab on the left sidebar. I'm going to search for a cupcake graphic to better fit my specific branding. I'll type cupcake into the search bar and browse the options until I find one I like. I'll select a couple of different cupcakes and delete the original pie image. Now I can easily resize and move these new graphics around to create a balanced composition in the center of the frame. Next, I need to update the text to match my offer. I'll click on the main text box at the bottom and change the reward to 50% off. I'll also click the smaller text block below to update the available time to 5 p.m. Finally, I'll go to the very top of the page and change the shop name to Dessert Company. Now that my design is finished, I'll click Share in the top right corner, select Download, and save my new flyer as a high-quality PNG. Now you have a professional flyer ready to use for your business or event.